What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be going to SoCal EVO meet. Heard it's a cruise, it's a meet, but we're gonna meet up at a spot, look around, check out the cars, but let's get it. Fuel came off. Back on. All right, so we made it. I got my chips, I got my drink. There is a couple of cars here, but we got the EVO right here. We got the homie Chino. I don't know if you could see him, and then his cousin. So they're all over here. Let's go walk around and see. Hey, there's your homie. Is that a camera? That's senpai's homie. Woo! Hey!
You have a filter or what?
No? It's just you could change, like, obviously right there on your camera.
Hey bro, you got a nose ring too?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Two BMWs. That's pretty much it, like 2 BMWs, huh? Oh, and that GTR. And then everything else is like Mitsubishi wise. But yeah. We got Chino here. Chips? What?
Doritos for the win, baby.
You gonna get sponsored by Doritos or what?
Yes, sir.
This video is sponsored by Doritos. Alright, so we finally made it. Where we at, boys?
I don't even know. Some
Sky Park?
RV resort. I don't know. Well, it's a rim of the world out here.
He's sitting in the back with the freaking roll cage in the way, man. I know I can't do it.
I had harnesses, but. So this is the guy that's on the EVO?
You just did
A year and a half ago or 2 years?
Yeah, like almost like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That was fun, man.
Shane, you good though?
Yeah. I'm just waiting to pay it off and then I'm gonna start building it. But
That's cool,
I just have this for now.
Looks good.
Alright, we come for an EVO meet and this guy's all over the tacos. Hey, I like tacos.
Hold on, this
Like
is-
tacos as in like carne asada tacos or like this taco?
Hey, bro, you can't tell. Look at this. This is a clean ass setup right here, bro.
Nah, I do like it. I need a truck in my life eventually. Maybe I'll get a taco. Alright, so this is the second spot. Lake
Arrowhead, I think. I think so.
I think so. Yeah, but park right here. Good parking.
He's Saturn for the win, baby.
Get some food or what? Get some food?
Nah, I think I'm good. I ate some donuts.
Donuts, that's not
The Doritos. Shout out to the Doritos.
The Doritos. Hey, you guys want to go on my boat? I got a boat right here.
Let me drive the boat. Hey, let me drive the boat.
Hey, let me drive your boat.
Drive the boat.
Let me drive your boat.
Let me drive your boat. Shit.
Come here. I'm ready. Come over here.
Wait, 2020.
Arizona, I'm gonna be out
Bro,
there.
I'm going. I'll roll with you. I'll roll with
For
you.
sure.
I'll roll with you.
Hey, Arizona trip.
Yo.
Arizona trip to for Clean Culture 2021. We're gonna do it. Alright, so we're here at the meet. Oh, there's a bump. Oh. We got in.
Yeah.
Alright, keep on going up.
Gosh. We're in.
Some cool exotic cars, guys. This is cars from Australia out here, man.
What?
Wild. These are cars from Australia. This is wild. This is exotic cars out here.
Alright, so we're here. Yeah. We got more Evos pulling up.
Hey, let's try to get all the Evos right here.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. So what's your Evo?
Right there with the APR lit, bro. You don't see it?
Damn, when'd you get it?
Dude, I just got it today.
Like right now?
That's why I'm here, you know.
Yeah.
Enjoying the
Joining the
good
car
old
meet.
meet.
Thanks to JRSX for a $500 coupon. His wrap is in the back. $500 coupon to get my shit wrapped. You gonna get yours?
You better get your shit wrapped, son, or it's gonna fall off.
Ooh, I gotta get my car wrapped. But thanks to JRSX for the $500 coupon towards the wrap.
Tell him to find me.
Appreciate
I'll
it.
give him the
This is
$500
guy right
coupon.
here. This is the guy right here. Yeah. It was red, and until I saw it today in new wrap, it's just crazy.
On the whole start, after the tank, you guys. After the tank, yeah.
Nah, it's not cars on cars.
That's right, Pablo. Yo.
Yo! That's that pipe?
Yo.
Yo!
Yo.
Throw me a water, I'm thirsty!
Let me find one.
Bro, I'll buy you food later, just get me water!
Oh, say less.
Hey, you have a license or what?
And you have a license for this?
Hey, fuck you, fucking permit fatty over here, fucking up my hustle.
Hey, Victor, right?
What happened?
Alright guys, the meet is over, but I'm gonna record everybody leaving. As you can hear, they're freaking revving it. Oh, they're gonna see it. They're gonna check it out. They're gonna check it out. Oh, the cops are to rev it. We have an arc. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching once again. Go down, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. See you guys later.